2010 Keystone Hideout Camper for sale in Partridge, Kansas, 67566. This 2010 Keystone Hideout Camper is ready to redefine your camping experiences. This camper features a creative floor plan with one slide-out and one awning that will comfortably accommodate up to 3 guests. This Keystone is ready to help you truly cherish every moment of your RV experiences. Hit the road with minimal effort because this hideout comes with leveling jacks, and plenty of storage space both inside and out. Get ready to make this Keystone Hideout Camper your next home away from home. This versatile trailer offers the convenience of residential living right on the campsite. It is fully loaded with top-quality amenities, which include great cooking area complete with 3-burner stove, microwave kitchen dinette with bench-style seating, refrigerator freezer dinette with booth seating, double kitchen sink, sofa sleeper, 2 single bunk beds, closet, lots of storage, air conditioning, and so much more. This 2010 Keystone Hideout Camper has been very well maintained, which has enabled its clean condition. This Keystone Camper is ready to hit the road and make your traveling dreams come true. This unit is priced very competitively, so call today for more information on how you experience everything this fantastic 2010 Keystone Hideout Camper has to offer.